Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your language on TikTok and set your preferred languages. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us to our profile. Next, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. We're going to select settings and privacy. That's the last option we have. Now we're gonna scroll down to content and display, and we're gonna select the third option. We have language. Here, as you can see, the first option we have is app language. So you can set your default app language to whatever you like. In this video, we're gonna leave it on to English because we want our TikTok to be in English. You can always change it to Dutch, Espanol, French, etc. If you want to select some language, if you want to save the changes, you can always click on done. Next, what we do have is preferred languages. This is if you speak another language, understand another language, or want to see videos that are in another language. So for example, first we're gonna select English. That's our default language, but okay, we're gonna select English. For example, I understand a little bit of French, so let's go and select that. Let's go down. I also speak Greek, so we're gonna select that. If you have another language you understand or would like to view videos in, you can always select it in the checkbox, and we're gonna click on done. So this means that other videos that are not only in English, that are in French and in Greek, will appear on your For You page or content in that language because you selected them in preferred languages. Preferred languages are languages you speak or understand and would like to view videos in, and the app language is your default language, what you want to see the most on your For You page. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!